Hello everyone, it's Lily here again. So I did decide to do another makeup look, and this is the look. So if you want to learn how I got this look, please keep on watching. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And please don't forget to like and share. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you guys get notified whenever I post a new video. Let's get into the video. Hello everyone, it's Lily here again. So before we get started, we are going to prime and moisturize our face. I'm just using my Aveeno Positively Radiant Max Glow for this, and I'm going to apply it all over my face. My skin is both dry and oily. Usually in the morning my face is really dry, and throughout the day it gets oily, but this one gives me the right amount of moisturizer. I'm just going to take my eyebrow pencil. This one is Morphe Micro Brow Pencil, and I'm just going to use that to line my brows and use the spoolie to brush out my brows. When you're doing your eyebrows, make sure you avoid drawing long lines, and instead of that, do small stroke lines to mimic the eyebrow hair, and make sure you go back to the spoolie brush and brush out the eyebrow hair. Once you're satisfied with the shape of your eyebrows, you can use a clean Q-tip, just like I'm doing here, to clean around the edges. Up next, I'm just going to take my Morphe eyelid primer, and I'm going to apply that, of course, on my eyelids and anywhere on my face where I get redness, such as under my eyes, on the sides of my nose, on my chin. Next, I'm going to go back to my NYX Full Coverage Concealer, and I'm just going to apply that on my eyelids to cover some discolorations that I have. Because we are going to be using vibrant colors, I want to be able to make sure that those colors are seen. The concealer will also act as our base. The palette that we are going to be using today is called the Morphe Artistry Palette. Look at those gorgeous, beautiful eyeshadow shades. The first shade is called Go Nude. I'm going to be using a fluffy blending brush to apply that shade all over my lid. This will make sure that we have a smooth base so that when we apply the brighter colors, the pink, the purples, it'll be an easier blend. The next eyeshadow shade that we're going to be using is called Turned On. I'm just going to use a fluffy crease brush, and I'm just going to apply that on my eyelids, focusing where the crease of my eyelids is in, and I'm just going to use that as a transition color. If you have hooded eyes like I do, just make sure that you apply that eyeshadow shade a little bit above your eyelid crease so that when you look straight ahead, you will be able to see it. Our third eyeshadow shade is called Addicted. I'm just going to use a fluffy dome brush to apply the eyeshadow, focusing on the outer V of my eyelids. I'm just going to diffuse those two eyeshadow shades together so that it's nice and blended. I went back to my NYX Full Coverage Concealer, and I'm just going to apply that on the first half of our lower eyelid because we are going to apply some glitter. This trick will help make the glitter eyeshadow look more noticeable and glittery. The fourth eyeshadow we're going to be using is called Three Little Words, and we're just going to apply that on the area where we applied the NYX Full Coverage Concealer on our eyelids. This eyeshadow is a pink glittery eyeshadow with a hint of gold, but for some reason my camera isn't picking up the correct pigmentation. Our fifth and final eyeshadow shade is called Tell Me More. This one is also glittery, and we're just going to apply that in between the fourth eyeshadow and our outer V. I went back to the transition shade, and I'm just going to darken it out a little bit, and I'm also going to blend the eyeshadows a little bit more at the same time. I'm just going to use an eyeliner to tightline my eyes, and this will make it look like I have fuller lashes. For this look, I decided to do a winged eyeliner, and here I'm just going to be using my Maybelline liquid eyeliner. I decided to do it very thin because I do have hooded eyes. I don't want the glitter eyeshadow to get covered when I look straight ahead. Now we're just going to put some eyeliner onto our waterline. I'm also going to use a flat shader brush, and I'm going to go back to the Addicted eyeshadow shade, and I'm just going to use that to smudge out the eyeliner that we did. I'm also going back to the glittery eyeshadow called Three Little Words, and I'm just going to apply that on the inner corner of my eyes to make my eyes look a little bit more wide awake. I did do my foundation off camera, so now I'm just gonna set it with my banana powder. I also curled my lashes and applied my mascara off camera because it's pretty self-explanatory. I'm just going to contour my face a little bit, so I'm using my Benefit Hoola Bronzer, and I'm just gonna apply that on the hollows of my cheeks, my forehead, and my jawline. I'm just going to apply the highlighter and my lipstick off camera, and the look is finally done. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys liked the makeup look that I did, and I'll see you guys next time.